spill the soup.
You're gonna be immortal when you eat the balloon.
Yeah. Here we are, here we go. We're here.
Safe and sound.
Today or tonight, I think my brother-in-law, I'm not really 100% sure our relation, but he is the husband of my cousin. His name is Dave, and tonight he is going to try to eat balut. He's an American, and well, Dave, if you're gonna be watching this, man, I salute you. You wanna try the Filipino delicacy, and today you're gonna be really eating the balut. This is it, Pansit. Let's go. Just go and look for that balut.
Where?
Guys.
Hello! Hello mga subscribers!
Dahil magbibigay lang. Wait lang.
Andito yung
Yung charger? Okay.
yung case na nilagay dito.
You're ready, right? You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. See? I see. Very positive. He's up for the challenge. Let's get it on. Kaya sa inyo, takip nito. Takip nung... Saan lagi? Okay. So according to Dave,
Let's go.
he's up for the challenge. Let's see.
Nata ka na ni ano.
Ha? Ano na?
Kasama ba siya?
Kasama ba siya?
Hindi lang kayo na lang.
Oo, kami na lang. Kami na lang. Okay.
Kasama daw siya.
Kasama siya? Hindi ka siya. Laki ko eh.
Is he really going?
Yeah, but yeah, you can. If you want, you and him can go, but I cannot go with you, cause I'm too fat for that one. Hindi tayo kasya, no?
Yeah, let's go, man.
Siya na lang. Siya na lang. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry to disappoint. Hindi ako kasama sa pagbili. So, see.
Tayo, parang habal.
I want you to see the commitment of my, I don't know, brother-in-law. I think the commitment of this guy to eat balut, you know, so much so that he will be the one buying it. Brad, ingatan mo na lang siya, Brad. Kailangan makarating siya dito para makakain ng balut. Pero Brad, ikaw kakain ka ng balut, di ba? Kumakain ka naman, di ba?
Oh, kumakain.
Kumakain. You see?
How do I come?
No, you see? Kasya ba? Ito, tsaka laki ng tiyan ko. See this guy? You see the commitment of this guy? This guy is going there to buy his balut.
We're right back, okay?
Sige na, okay lang.
Kami dalawa lang.
Oh, baka kasi... sige. But, do you want us three to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Is that right? Alright. Okay, we'll go.
Oh, Hannah Bear. I'll be right back.
Alright, we'll go. Let's get it on.
You want one?
For a fam.
How?
Kayo?
How many?
Hindi ko alam, kayo. Ito, Chong.
I think it's 5.
Oh,
5 balut.
hindi ko ba nadala? Yung pera?
You don't have? Yeah.
No, I got cash. How much do you need?
Ito pala. Ito. Here.
5 balut.
Sure?
Si Jen
Yeah.
ba? Penoy.
Penoy, Penoy rin. Penoy ba?
Oh,
Penoy. Yeah, Penoy.
Film doon.
Yeah.
Dalawa? O isa lang?
Isa lang siguro.
Isang Penoy, 5 balot.
5?
This is how you eat the balot.
Salt?
Salt, then vinegar.
Here we go. Yeah. Feeling confident? Still feeling confident?
I'm gonna
Alright.
tip how to eat balot. Just do not look the
Sige,
inside
sige,
the balot.
Jong.
Hungry, let's do it.
My nose is bleeding na.
Magkano isa ng balot eh? 25. 25.
Yung Penoy.
So balot is 25 pesos each. Then we're also buying Penoy.
What's Penoy? Oh, Penoy's the other
Penoy is
one.
just like the yellow, the yolk.
Duck? Duck or
I
chicken?
believe, yeah, it's duck. I think
Duck?
duck.
I think
It's duck.
duck.
It's duck. Yeah, I think so. I'm not 100% sure,
Eating
but
Donald
might
Duck.
be.
Donald Duck. Daffy. What's going on over here?
It's a queue. There's a queue to ride the tricycle. Yeah, to ride the tricycle.
You look like you're going to prom or something. I
Yeah.
think it's a party.
Yeah, the girls, yeah. It seems like they're gonna be going to party. Ayun yung sabi niya guys, may queue kasi dito eh.
Let's go.
Alright,
Thank you.
alright. Let's get it on.
Let's go, Sago. Thank you. Hold the balot.
Yeah! Here we are, here we go.
Yes.
We're here.
Safe and sound.
Ayos. Okay.
Go.
So nakarating na tayo guys. Ito na. This is it. It's the moment of truth.
Nothing but the truth.
Nothing but balut.
And nothing but balut. Okay.
Di ba mawala yung motor mo?
Hindi, mamaya.
Sige na guys. Sisimulan na natin to ngayon. You see, he still has the balut on the left, and on the right one there's the beer. Is the this guy is my superhero. This guy is my hero here.
Cheers.
Yeah.
We did.
5 lang to lima lang. Nagmuli siya ng Penoy para sa'yo. Bumili siya ng Penoy.
It's good. It's stable. John drives his motorcycle. He drives the van.
Okay. So, sige na bro. Kaya na mag-ano, do the honor.
Ikaw na,
Do
kuya.
the honor eh.
Diyan na lang magbibideo para maganda.
Wala, ngayon nga lang umuwi sa Pilipinas eh. Hindi ko alam yan. Alam mo yan. Hindi nga ikaw na bro. Hindi ko alam. Sige, paano mo siya? Para maano lang.
Akin na ako magbukas para sa inyo.
Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo, tita eh.
Tagal nyo eh.
Sige, paano be?
What's that thing? It turns on its own?
You can switch it facing you or facing the opposite side.
That's pretty cool.
You can also control it, you know. You can do a tracking of the face. Oh, sige, buksan na natin.
Kailangan po. Gano'n o.
Kung chan mo lang nakikita.
Angat mo na lang. Angat mo na lang kasi.
Dito.
Okay. Okay, so ito yung Penoy, no?
Yan. Yan. Kaya yan.
So this is marked as Penoy. Penoy.
Ayun na nakikita yung Penoy kay
Ito yung
tita ng
Penoy.
Penoy.
So ito, may mga vinegar siyang kasama guys.
May additional na.
Vinegar. And then, asan yung asin, Brad? Gano'n may kasama asin?
Nandiyan. Yan.
Wala asin.
Wala.
Wala asin.
O sige, kita.
Ako lang kuha na tayo asin. Yeah.
Lima lang pala yun eh.
So, kailangan may asin. May asin dapat. May asin. May
Kita
salt.
tayo.
Oh, they give me salt.
Yeah.
Ay.
So, ang magdedemo ang magdedemo bukas
Si Jong. Si Jong.
Jong. Jong.
Rock salt.
Jong, ikaw magbubukas, Jong, kasi ikaw mauna bago. Oo. Siyempre, expert ako muna.
Wala mo kayo ginagawa.
Go, Jong.
Yan yung challenger.
Yan,
Ay, ikaw
go,
yung
Jong.
ikaw yung.
Yes. Bali, sponsored pala kami ng San Miguel. Thank you for the sponsor.
Here, birthday cake.
Kinakabahan ka, Alex?
Sana po, magkano?
This one. You need to do this one. Huh?
You crack.
You crack the egg.
At the bottom.
Crack. This one. Yan. And
Why?
It has, it has
It's so much more intense with the camera on it.
that's the, ano na.
Painin mo muna yung yung soup.
inside.
Oh yeah. Wait
painin mo
lang,
yung
wait
soup.
lang.
Wait lang daw, wait lang. Huwag
You
mo
need
siya.
the rock salt.
Okay.
Mommy,
Alright.
that's the soup.
Alright.
Soup number 11 na to.
Soup na, pwede.
And you're gonna eat this one. This is the style. Do not look at the duck. That's the duck.
That's the fetus duck.
This one.
Little salt.
Yeah.
Do you want to cook? Of course.
Gone.
Yeah, yeah! Wala po kayong makamay! Sabi, palakpakan nyo naman!
Show your home that it's empty.
So, it's your turn. Yeah, it's your time to shine.
Crack the egg.
Yeah, you have to crack the egg. Alright, you have to crack the egg.
You can do it, Dave.
Is the soup good?
We can do it.
Yeah. Oop. Spilling the soup.
You're gonna be immortal when you eat the balot.
You're super still.
Now my soup's spilling. Hold on.
Oh,
Alright, a little salt.
baliktad data.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
you remove the...
I'm getting nervous.
First test, you pass the first test.
You don't eat the white one because that's the hard part, okay? Yeah, that's the hard
You
part.
remove
Yeah.
the, the
You remove-
bato.
I
yeah.
take this off?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Take it out. Yeah, take it out.
the bato.
Stone. We call it stone. I don't know. But that's the hard part.
Salt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
You ate it?
I iwan the bato.
Yeah, iiwan the bato. Yes, correct. Nga naman.
Oh,
Oh!
nice.
Nice!
Soup?
Oh, mani-mani!
Mani, yeah.
Oh my God! Oh!
We're doing 12, right?
Nice, Dave.
Nice one, nice Dave.
Good job.
Yeah, good job. Good job, man. Good job, man.
The other American is bombing.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge finish, guys!
You're the one of Pinoy ka na.
Lapit! Yeah. You're a certified Pinoy, bro. You're a certified Pinoy. Yeah, yeah. So guys, para sa mga hindi nakapanood, no, nakita nyo na, kinain niya. Iris, Iris, Iris. So, we'll go with the wife. Iris, Iris. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Alright.
First time mo lang ba?
First time lang yan. Hindi mo first time? Okay.
Abu Dhabi, you're on TV. We're coming for you.
Thanks, man. That's us. That's us. That's my wife over there.
You can find the menu. You're buying this balloon for life.
How does it feel?
Another one.
What's the taste? Except for the
It's actually
salty
just
part.
good, right?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about the smell of the balut?
Hindi niya lang kasi mabilis.
Smells good.
Smells good.
Did you munch on it? Did you munch or you just swallow it?
Got a little beak. Got a little
Ah, you got the big there.
Oh my
You got the big part. Nadaan niya raw yung tuka.
May feather.
Yak!
Yeah, maybe I got a feather in my molar.
Panalo, lupit.
Nothing. Pass the...
Oh, si Ira naman.
It's a presentation. I didn't think it was going to be that presentation.
Can we watch that after?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's going to be live on
Yeah, I don't know.
Right?
Gonna upload again.
Oh, pero ano, si ano naman?
Starting with a motorcycle ride.
Wait.
That's
Wait.
the first challenge.
Wait. We're diverting with the topic now. So, it's her turn, right? Iris, come on. You can do it. Come on. Just stare down the fears. Stare down the egg. At least try the soup of the egg. Yeah, at least try the soup of the egg.
Get ready for the vomiting. Oh my God.
Para kayo na.
Si Dave, oh.
Oo nga naman, si Dave, na-try niya, oh.
Want this one?
Oh, you're getting sweaty, oh.
Hindi.
You can.
Ayaw niya.
You're Pinay eh.
It's alright.
Let's keep through your neighborhood.
Ikaw, go. Jen. Dapat may sample ng Jeron TV.
Yun lang ba? Oh, Jennifer,
Jeron TV, oh.
come over here.
Okay, couples match. Balut.
Oh, so speaking of couple, the first couple is already here. Dave and Iris, we'll do Iris first, right? Ayaw talaga. Look at the face. The face says it all. Ay talaga ni Iris. Okay, sige, wala mo lang. Okay, dito, tara. Payawa ka naman, Beo. Alam pala eh.
Yun lang pala.
Si Kuya. Okay, who's your sponsor?
Thank you for the San Miguel sponsor.
Baka naman.
San Miguel Light for the sponsor.
Tiger as well. Also, Aaliyah has jelly.
Jenny Bobby. Alright, let's get it on. So I'm gonna crack the egg now. Let's see. This is my first time.
Oh my God.
Again.
After how many years?
Last time I did this, I think I was in college.
Very special. It's not good.
So last time.
I'm telling you a secret later. Balut used to...
Oh my God, the ice is there.
Say hello.
Hi.
How are
It's the
you?
best part.
That's the best part.
The soup.
The soup's the best part.
Parang wala soup. Parang ano.
Hindi, buksan mo kasi
I think he's already old. There's no soup anymore.
Nilagay mo sa gilid na sa ano ko siya.
Baka.
Parang may
Yun.
placenta, may placenta.
Yung placenta pa.
Placenta pa eh, no?
May placenta pang nalalaman.
Placenta ka pa. Sak yata niya.
Yeah. Oh my God. Share muna ako.
Doctor.
You have a doctor, two doctors. Don't worry.
Para sa kabuhayan to. Para sa kabuhayan to, kabuhayan.
Oh my God, there's a hair.
Balot.
Baka sa balot man yung budget.
Today, 8
Dito muna ako i-rewind. Nakikita ko
Oh,
yung
man, you
buhok.
got a hairy one.
Oh,
Everyone.
Uy, ang daming buhok.
Cheers. Si Iris.
Look at that face.
Anay!
ano bang pinasok ko? Oh my God.
When you're eating balut, you need to be fast.
Huwag mo nang buksan lahat, Kadirs.
That's the technique.
Okay,
Just chew it.
Just
Yeah.
chew it.
just do it, no? Like Nike.
Just chew it.
Thank you pa sa sponsor ko, Jordan. Okay.
All right.
It's like a one shot.
Yeah.
Kala ko makakain niya pati
Did you get that
balat.
stone thing too?
Naiwan niya yung stone dyan. Pwede rin naman kainin yung stone.
Walang stone?
Mabigat nga lang.
Walang stone? Bakit walang
Baka
stone?
natundaan doon sa ano.
Baka natanggal mo na.
Oh, where?
Baka nakaidarna na yung stone.
Yeah.
Nice one. O, si tita naman.
Tita, 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 tita.
Ay.
Penoy, you like to try Penoy?
Penoy, tita. Ayan. Asa yung Penoy?
Yung Penoy.
Asa yung Penoy? Eto, Penoy. Ito, ito.
Yeah.
Bigay mo yung Penoy kay tita.
Try kita.
Parang boiled egg lang naman yan.
Walang hair.
O, si tita. O, si tita. I-vlog mo si tita. Para nasa video. Para may vlog.
Harry.
Suka ba gusto mo?
There's nothing naman.
Wala naman dito, okay lang yan. Ano lang yan eh. Guys, para makita nyo lang kung ano yung tsura ng Penoy, alright? So guys, for all those who hadn't seen a Penoy yet, that is...
There's no soup.
That's the Penoy.
There's no soup.
Yan ba ito, yun?
Yan.
Oh, yeah. You try.
Yan!
Oh yeah.
Ang laki na.
Ayaw lang eh.
No, parang
The small one daw.
Oh, there's two more.
Yeah, no.
no, small. I want the small one. Ay, balot ba't pa itim ito?
Wala yan kita.
Aliyah, magbalot ka. Ang galing si Dave.
Galing. You're immortal now.
Good job.
Man, good job, Dave.
It's too big.
Mas mabilis.
Yeah, yeah! Oh, alright.
Delicious.
Nice one, tita.
I just don't know. I just don't know.
2 bites.
Ang dami.
Pero kung di mo kaya, tita,
Nagawa nga yung bakasyon mo.
Oh yeah.
Ang dami mo talagang nagawa. Unahin natin dun sa ay ibon na pinalipad mo. Dun sa online, di ba? Sa online.
But it's so yummy.
It's pretty good.
I can see the eyes.
yeah.
It's staring at you.
Be nice. With hair.
One shot lang dapat yan, tita. Yun ang pinakaano niya.
No, you know what I do? I eat the yolk last. So that it will retain the good taste.
One technique.
Yeah.
That's old technique.
This is hairy.
This is it.
Nakita.
Ayan, because alin yung matigas?
Ayan, wala.
Oh my!
Yeah.
Tissue.
Iris.
Boiled egg.
Panis.
It's like a
Next
boiled egg.
level.
Next level.
Next
Mas
level.
ano siya, mas
So
clearing siya.
what
Kasi
she ate first, all right, what she ate first was the chick,
The chick.
and then now
OG.
she's devouring the yellow,
Original.
the yolk. Yeah,
Eating
yeah.
balut.
Yeah.
Ang galing ni tita. I can enjoy this.
Ah,
Eating balut with that, ano,
Tita, may twist na kasi ngayon na may nilalagyan na ng vinegar para mas flavoring.
ang lupit mo naman, tita. Lupit. And
Yellow na yan, tita lang.
Oh, mas masarap yung yellow. The yellow one.
that's an OG, man. OG.
That's what you call classy.
Woo, lupit. Kinain mo na yung sisiw bago yung yung yellow, bang klase. Ngayon lang nakita ng ganun.
Nasosyal.
Galing.
Sino talaga
Tito Chara.
Okay, so the question, the burning question is, who's going to take the last balut? It's like the Iris. At least Iris eat the yellow. You don't need to eat the
need to eat the seeds.
the sisiu. Yeah,
See the egg.
Or you can be like your mom and just.
you can do it. Come on. Yeah, just
Eh, tita, hindi na namin kinakain yung bato. Ako kinakain mo. Pwede naman kainin yan eh.
Sometimes it's not.
oh, kasi sa akin malambot eh. Sa akin malambot eh. Yeah, see? Oh. Kalas, finish. Look at the face. Look at that face. See? The face says it all. Di nga, kahit na ano lang, kahit yung ano lang, yung yellow. Huwag na kainin yung ano, yung manok. Yeah.
For the video, for the views.
Galing ni Tita.
Yeah, for Jeron TV views. Iris.
Okay. He cannot carry you in the airport.
They got to get you there.
Don't worry. We had a lot of men.
Yeah.
You like hard-boiled eggs?
Come on.
Try it.
This is once in a lifetime. No, since
The yellow part.
yeah, just eat the yellow part. Yeah.
Balut.
Just take the egg.
For your experience na.
Yeah, you can share it with the.
Wala ka na yan eh.
Wala na! Alam mo, ako, hindi ako Amerikano. You're the one, you're supposed to eat that.
Show us how it's done, Larry.
It's like a, ano lang yan, boiled egg.
Yung ano lang, yellow. Wag mo na kainin yung sisiyo, just the ano.
Ayaw pala weakness mo, balot. Oh, you like balot pala eh. Bakit ayaw kumain ngayon? That's why he requested Paolo to bring balot. Oo nga, oo.
Yeah.
Our non-sponsor, Paolo, for the non-gluten.
Galing ni Dave ah, galing.
Yeah nga. Dahil you are magaling, you
Yeah.
eat the other two. You eat for her.
You know, Dave, we're gonna be talking about you for the longest time. Yeah, we're gonna talk. Yeah. Another one.
Anyone else want something?
No. All right. For the second time.
Nasarapan ng apa?
Yeah. Nasarapan si Apam. Yes.
Si Apam.
Naka, nasarapan si Apam.
When you eating, magiging tatlo na ang anak mo.
Oh. Yeah, it's an aphrodisiac
Oh, there you go.
by nature. Yeah, by nature. Mahal. Yeah.
Get ready tonight.
It's gonna be a long night. Hi.
That's the, the old robust.
Man, eating the second time around.
Because he loves it so much.
Let us give him a round of applause. Woo! Yeah.
For the love of Iris.
Malupit. Malupit itong dumalawa.
There we go.
Alright. Soup first. Okay, remove the hard part, the white. Okay.
That one.
Yeah, alright. Man, he's already a professional. He's already professional at eating this one.
Watch Corey. Oh no, what's the rest? I'm missing some.
Yes.
One more.
Sinimot pa oh. Buti nito pa to.
Try that.
Kind of hard.
Is it hard?
That's pretty hard.
Yeah, that's really hard.
Ba't hindi kita nakain?
Oh! Just swallowed everything. Oh man! Woohoo!
Nice.
So for all our American friends out there, that's how you do it. That's how you do it, bro. Yeah.
It's a leg ball.
Oh, there's even so. Oh my God, even so a bone inside.
Nice.
I think Iris cannot sleep today. Oh my God. I just saw that.
Good job.
Welcome to our family.
Yeah. And that's how we do it. Yeah.
Nice, Dave.
Nice one, Dave. Nice one, Dave. Nice one.
Kaya, pwede mo nang ipagmalaki yan sa hospital. Ay, ito, balot.
Man. Okay, that's how we call a wrap. A wrap, guys. See you guys on our next vid. Bye, guys. Say bye to the channel. Bye, guys. Say bye to the channel. Bye. Yeah. Yeah.